Hello guys and welcome back to another DS Booster video. On this video, I'll be explaining to you how to use the manually upload option, okay? This option, what it will do is it will enable you to start tracking your items on DS Booster immediately, okay? You just need to put your provider URL. This will be the link or the URL for your item on the Walmart, on Amazon on this case, and also we will need the eBay URL or link to your item on your store. Okay, simple as that, and we will start tracking your item. So let me show you right now on the monitor. We just have 5 items that are from Amazon. Okay, right now with the import, we will go to import, manually upload, and we will be uploading 5 Walmart items. Okay, so let me go ahead here and get this. In this case, you can click add here and you will get another tab, or you can click, for example, 25, and it will populate 25 spaces, right? So you can add those items that you want DS Booster to track. So right now, let me go ahead and do these 5 items so you can see that we will be immediately start tracking your items, okay? Or we will do just 2. Better that way. You will see how you need to do it for as many items as you want, okay? So right now, we just click track items, and DS Booster will take care of these items from now on, okay? You will go here and see that we have 2 Walmart items being tracked. In this case, the 2 items that we just input on DS Booster, okay? So this is how you use the manually upload option on DS Booster, okay? If you wanna add 25 items, so you just click add and you will have 25 spaces ready to input your URLs here, okay? So if there's any questions, if there's something that's not clear enough, feel free to ask questions. Feel free to add any suggestions. We're here to serve you and give you the best dropshipping experience. Once more, this was a DS Booster tutorial, and thank you very much for being part of DS Booster. See you in the next video.